Oh yeah, that's to hold the wig down when you like go to sleep, so it's not lifting up when you wake up. She drying it so it don't like leak off from the sweat. Oh yeah, right here, that's the wig cap. Oh, that is glue. That's black spray. That's the temperature 500. Don't get burned. Alright, so look right here, we're cleaning the wig. You know, getting all the germs out. Cleaning the inside. I don't know what she doing. She drying the hair so like, you know, it don't stink. That's the glue spray to like keep the wig stuck on her forehead. So right here, she putting the glue on her braids. So the wig could be like glued right, so it's not lifting, you know, when she go out somewhere. And yeah, she brushing it back. Oh, to make sure the wig's silky. She drawing the glue so like, you know, it's not moist and slippery. She checking to make sure that it's like, you know, dry. That's hair oil, so like, you know, keep her roots growing. Yeah, right here, that's the wig cap. That's like they put that so like the wig don't get like with the wig. Wait, with the braids. So like that's what the wig finna go on. So right here she cutting it because you don't need all that excess. You feel me? Okay, she's putting that bit through her ears. She don't need that. Oh, that is glue. That's black spray. So I'm guessing this right here, that's black spray. I don't know what that is. So she drawing it. So she drawing the wig cap that she sprayed on it, so like the wig don't lift up. She cutting the excess off. Oh, that's to hold the wig, that's to hold the cap down. She cutting the wig, she cutting the cap. She tying the back, I think that's like, oh yeah, to hold the back of her braids. Oh, I think that's more glue. Oh yeah, she blended it in with her skin, so like they don't see it. And that's makeup. I think that's more to mix it in, to blend it in. So right here, that's the first layer before you put the wig on. Well, that's glue, right? So it's a lot of glue right now. So like, you know, the wig's secure. She drawing it right here. More drawing. All right, right here. She about to flat iron the wig, so you know it look good and not poofy. All right, so right here, the wax stick. I'm guessing that's like to take off all the dead hair. All right, that's the hot comb. You know, making it flat and even. That's the temperature 500. Don't get burnt. Brush. More makeup to blend in with her forehead. Making it flat. That's the second layer. More glue to keep the wig down. She mixing it in. She mixing in the glue. So she got a stick, and she just going left and right with it, making it evenly. All right, right here is the third layer, more glue. She finna make it more even. All right, now she finna install the wig. She putting that right spot where the wig cap at. so it could be blended in with her skin. Alright, now she combing it. I'm making it flat so it could be down on her forehead and not lifting up. Alright, now I think this like a, oh yeah, that's to hold the wig down when you like go to sleep, so it's not lifting up when you wake up. Oh, I think she's securing it more, making sure it's tight. Alright, now she combing it out, making it look good, making it look straight. So right here, that's some more lace tint spray. That's to blend it. I think that's to make it. Oh yeah, that's to blend it in. Where the skin. She drying it so it don't like leak off from the sweat. Right here is the hot comb. She pushing the hair back. You know, making it straight. Right here, she parting it. She parting the hair. Oh, I think that's the hairstyle. That's the middle part, ain't it? Alright, she taking off the thing, not a wig like glued on. She blow drying it, drying the front of it, drying it more. She just put more makeup. See, now the wig cap looking like identical to her forehead skin color. Alright. See, now right here, she finna do the edges. She combing it down. She combing the hair back. And now she like combing the edges to make it like look good. Making the edges look curly. Oh, that's the glue to like keep the edges, you know, stuck. Alright, more spray to make the hair look good. There's more ingredients. Alright, now she taking the thing off. That's to keep the lace down. And yeah. Alright, now she basically done. Now she just blended it in more. I think that's for the wig, making it look more like her skin color. That's more hair oil. And yeah. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh my gosh, I put this jump. I don't know. But right now we're going through a car wash, okay? And yeah, let's go. Just let her know she was made for you, and you want to do everything she wants to, man. Sorry you couldn't get me, but I hope you can leave a voicemail at the tone, okay? Leave your name and number at the beep and have a blessed day.